In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report formula for number of days between two dates. Salesforce platform. First, open Salesforce and make sure you're in the right org and have permission to edit reports. We'll work inside the report builder, so start by navigating to the Sales app. If you don't see it on your navigation bar, use the app launcher to switch to Sales. This ensures you're looking at the right data set for the report you want to modify. Next, use the search to find the report you want to update. You can search for reports and then pick the specific report, or go straight to the Reports tab and open your existing report from there. Once you've located it, click the report to open it. Now enter Edit mode. This opens the report builder where you can change columns, filters, and add formulas. Give the report a moment to load so all panels are available. On the left side, look for the Columns panel. Click the small arrow next to Columns to expand more options. This is where you'll find the feature we need for calculating days between two dates. Choose Add Row-Level Formula. A row-level formula calculates a value for each individual record in your report, which is perfect for a days between calculation. Enter the details for your new column. Provide a clear column name, like days between start and end. Set the formula output type to number. If you want whole days, choose 0 decimal places. This keeps the results neat and easy to read. Now build the formula. The idea is simple. Subtract the earlier date from the later date. For example, if your fields are start date and end date, the structure looks like date value end date, date value start date. If your fields are date time, wrapping them with date value ensures the math uses calendar days. You can also use ABS if you prefer the result to always be positive. Keep in mind this returns calendar days, not business days. Click Check Syntax to make sure the formula is valid and references real fields in your report type. If you see an error, confirm the field API names and that both fields are available to the report. When the syntax passes, click Apply to add the new column to your preview. Finally, save and run the report. Give it a descriptive name and, if prompted, choose the appropriate folder. When the report runs, you'll see your new days between column alongside your other fields. If any rows show unexpected values, double-check that both date fields are populated and that you selected the correct output type. That's it. Your report now calculates the number of days between two dates for every record.